The following video was captured using the DJI Mavic 3. In the video, we're chasing a Dodge Challenger GT. There's been no color correction or noise reduction in this video. Everything's straight out of camera, so you can get a sense of whether the DJI Mavic 3 meets your quality standards. The lack of color in the video is not the fault of the drone. It's the Minnesota weather. It's late fall, almost entering into winter, and so there's just no leaves on the trees, very little color in the ground. So we pretty much have brown and some dark green pine trees. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It would really help me out. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching my videos.
Go.